Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. 3-bedroom/2-bath ranch-style home on 1.5 AC with a view that will never get old coming home to. Home features an open floor plan, cozy living room, kitchen layout is perfect with tons of granite counter space and amp, cabinet storage, along with a pantry, and amp, designed perfectly with a large island perfect for a second eating area in addition to the dining room. Master bedroom has walk-in closet and amp, the private bath is magnificent. Freestanding tub and amp, glass surround shower are placed perfectly giving this bath the wow factor. The yard feels endless and amp, will be great for outdoor activities or just quiet time relaxing watching sunrises and amp, sunsets. Country living doesn't get much better than this.